Hello, this is Jury Huang, a bio bee who will deliver the latest honey-like news from the Korean bio industry to you earlier than anyone else in the world. Good to see you guys again. I'm back today to inform you of the most honey-sweet issues in South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe to Bio TV and set up notifications. By turning on notifications, you can receive the latest honey-like information even faster. Now then, shall we go and take a look at today's sweetie sweet news? One after another, K-Bio companies are jumping into the field of developing therapeutics that make use of exosomes, which convey information from one cell to another. While having similar effects to cell-based therapeutics, exosome-based therapeutics have been receiving great attention in the biofield thanks to the ease with which they can be stored and applied for various purposes. Exosomes are vesicles that are secreted by cells and range from 50 to 150 nanometers in size. They have been receiving a lot of attention as it was confirmed that they contain active substances that induce and promote restoration when tissues and organs are damaged. Attention to exosomes began to increase significantly as global pharmaceutical companies such as Roche, Jazz Pharmaceuticals also began to make large-scale investments in exosome technology. According to the forecast, the global exosome market is expected to grow at a growth rate of 22% from $12 billion in 2021 to $32 billion in 2026. However, the market of exosome therapeutics is still considered a blue ocean. As such, South Korea bio companies including Daewoong Pharmaceutical, Primoris, Ilias Biologics, Protomix, KainosMed, CK Exogen, Execo Bio, and Brexogen are spurring on the efforts in exosome technology development. Some of these companies are even planning clinical trials in the first half of this year, raising expectations for K-Bio's progress in the field of exosomes. Enzychem Lifesciences has been registered as a vaccine manufacturer and supplier on the COVAX Marketplace, a platform launched by the SUPI. The COVAX Marketplace is a platform that matches suppliers and buyers of the raw and subsidiary materials that are necessary for the production of vaccines, where they can be distributed through COVAX, a multi-country supply chain for vaccines against COVID-19. When a vaccine manufacturer makes a request for certain raw and subsidiary materials via the marketplace, SUPI matches the manufacturer with the appropriate suppliers and facilitates the buying and selling of said materials. In November last year, Enzychem Lifesciences signed an agreement to adopt the manufacturing technology for Z-COVID-D, a COVID-19 vaccine developed by Indian pharmaceutical company Zydus Cadila. Also, in January this year, the company signed a follow-up agreement to consign the production of undiluted solutions for the vaccines to Hanmi Pharmaceuticals. Enzychem Lifesciences expects to supply the vaccine through COVAX when Z-COVID-D starts production in earnest. Bio TV roots for Enzychem Lifesciences to grow into a global vaccine manufacturer. Samsung Biologics has acquired all the shares of Samsung Bioepis owned by U.S. company Biogen. The acquisition price is a total of $2.3 billion, which is to be paid by Samsung Biologics in installments over the next 2 years, excluding an earnout payment of $50 million, which should be paid additionally when certain conditions of the signed agreement are met. Samsung Bioepis has released a total of 5 biologic generic drugs into global markets, including 3 autoimmune disease treatments and 2 anti-cancer drugs. Samsung Biologics expects to be able to internalize Samsung Bioepis R&D capabilities, such as those related to the development, clinical trials, approval, and commercialization of drugs. At the same time, Samsung Biologics also decided to implement a right offering based capital increase of $2.5 billion in order to secure investment funds necessary for business expansion. BioTV will keep paying attention to the K-Bio synergy that is sure to be created by Samsung Biologics and Samsung Bioepis. Well, that's all the honey sweet news we have gathered for you today. I will be back soon with new and even sweeter issues related to South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye!